How many of you have tried the diversified street food in Hong Kong? Which one is your favorite? Wish to make street food at your home? Here's our app to let you learn more about our street food in Hong Kong. 謝謝一串魚蛋燒賣啊唔該. Our app aims to introduce our local street food to you, to understand more about the Hong Kong local food culture. In Hong Kong, it's always easy to find any international cuisine of your choice. However, if you were to pick a food to represent Hong Kong, what would it be? After playing our game, you will definitely know more about street food in Hong Kong. Also, to learn a culture, experiencing it would definitely be the best way. How about giving a try to be the hawker of street food stall and serve your customers with freshly prepared food? You would not want your customers to wait, and here's when you could train your brain reaction and agility. Try to serve as many customers as you can to unlock more recipes. Feeling stressed about the coming finals and projects? Chill out, people. Bring some excitement to your life by enjoying our game and see how well you cook.
The following shows the live demonstration of the app. Our app, Jau Gwei, is a cooking app based off of Hong Kong local foods. As a background information, Jau Gwei is a signature phrase used by hawkers in Hong Kong to call off an alert to other hawkers for the patrolling of nearby offices. Right when we enter the app, we will be met with a title screen. You can always press the How to Play button to remind yourselves of how to play the game. Pressing the Start button leads us to a notifier asking us for a name. The name is used for the leaderboard of the game, which is stored using TinyDB. The whole game is divided into waves. In the start of each wave, you may receive new recipes. You will also get a 10-second pause before other customers come in. For a certain time interval, a random customer will come in with random orders. The player has to complete the order with the correct recipe by dragging the correct ingredients into the 2 cooking pans available and pressing the Cook button. After cooking, the recipe will be checked. The food will be automatically given to the earliest customer with that order if the recipe is correct, or will be discarded if the recipe is not correct or if there is no such order. Each customer has a patience meter, of which when exhausted will cause the loss of 1 life. Scores will be added when a correct order has been handled. The score added is proportional to the time left for the patience meter. When 3 lives are used up, the game ends. You can always press the pause button to take a rest, take a look at all the recipes, or quit the game. All progress bars will be halted when paused. The recipe page shows the ingredients needed for all food items and also information for each food item that appears in the game to promote Hong Kong food culture. When the game ends or is terminated, the leaderboard page shows up, which displays the top 3 scores in the game with the corresponding names. Pressing the Back to Main menu button returns the game back to the title screen.
So, what do you think about our app? Do you think you can handle the stall without missing any customer? Can you prepare the right food for the corresponding customer? We hope you will enjoy our game and will pay more attention to the local street food the next time when you pass by a hawker. Of course, we know this app is not perfect. Here are some improvements we can make to refine our app. Hong Kong street food is more than that. More dishes and ingredients per dishes could be included to further introduce our local street food to international students. Also, to fully introduce Hong Kong's local food culture, food like dim sum in Chinese restaurants or cha chan tang, other dishes and beverages could also be included in another stages or levels, so players would not get bored by the limited types of food. More cooking methods could be included, so players will have a better understanding of how the food is prepared or cooked. Sharing property could also be included, so players can share the prepared food to friends or on social media to further promote Hong Kong street food.